My dear students, good morning one and all. Today we will enter into new module 3. In this module we would like to discuss two things. First one, that is commodity market, and next one, that is debt market in detail. See, in our today discussion we would like to discuss commodity market. Before entering to the commodity market, first we can see what is meant by commodity. When a commodity, Forward Contract Regulation Act 1952, FCRA, defined goods or a commodity as every kind of movable property other than auctionable claims, money and securities. So we can simply say that any kind of movable property which is not included as auctionable claim, money and securities. Those movable property which was not considered as a money, security, auctionable claim can be considered as a commodity. See next, what is meant by commodity market or commodity exchange. According to Pele, commodity exchange are specialized organized market. It's a specialized market, well organized, which provide a place where their members can buy or sell commodities or contract for future delivery under an established rule and regulations. So very simple definition. It's an organized market where members can buy or sell commodities or contract for future delivery under an established rules and regulations. That is called a commodity market. See, what are the characteristics of commodity market? Very simple. Commodity market is from the definition it is clear. It is an organized market for trading commodities. Commodities may be agricultural commodities or mineral commodities or manufacturable product or whatever it is. Then one more thing, that is it has its own rules and regulations. Strict rules and regulations is there, which are to be followed by members for trading commodities in this platform. Then it may be an institution, organization or association of members. Only the members can trade on the commodity exchange. That means if a person is not a member of the commodity exchange, he can transact only through some recognized members. Otherwise it is not possible. The next is to provide its own mechanism for settling disputes. It provides its own mechanism. If there is any disputes among the members or buyers or sellers, that will be settled by its own mechanism. Then this market, commodity exchange market, that collect and provide market information, set normal situations, normal characteristics. Then it promotes the interest of the members and investors trading in the exchanges. Next, that is functions of commodity exchanges, that we will discuss in our next classes. Okay, thank you.